To set accessibility button as TalkBack in Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus or S21 Ultra, open settings, show all home screen to access the out screen. And then select settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel. Swipe the notification panel and then tap settings icon. And then scroll down settings screen, find accessibility. Tap accessibility. Select advanced settings. Tap accessibility button. And then select check TalkBack. Allow TalkBack to have control of your phone. Control is appropriate for apps that help you with accessibility needs, but not for most apps. It included this permission: view and control screen, view and perform action. Tap allow if you sure, and then uncheck other option. Now when you press accessibility button, TalkBack will be on.
TalkBack on. Accessibility button. Navigate up button. Double tap to activate. Double tap and hold to long press.
And then tap again to turn off TalkBack.
TalkBack off.
Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.